Sprouts are a fun and easy way to add fresh food to your meals. You can grow them right on your kitchen counter. No soil is needed. Sprouts are packed with nutrients. They are a healthy addition to any diet. I love adding sprouts to my salads. They add a nice crunch. My kids love them too. We even put them on sandwiches for extra flavor. Growing sprouts is simple. You'll be amazed how quickly they grow. It's like magic. Let's get started. First, gather your supplies. You will need a quart-sized jar. A wide mouth makes it easier to work with. You'll also need sprouting seeds. Alfalfa seeds are a good choice for beginners. They sprout quickly and have a mild flavor. Rinse the seeds in cool water. Next, put 2 tablespoons of seeds in the jar. Fill the jar with warm water. Cover the jar with cheesecloth. Secure the cheesecloth with a rubber band. Place the jar in a dark place for 12 hours. After 12 hours, it's time to drain the water. Rinse the seeds well with cool water. Shake the jar gently to remove excess water. Place the jar back in its dark spot. Rinse and drain the seeds every 12 hours. You will see small sprouts emerge. This is exciting. Continue rinsing and draining. In a few days, your sprouts will be ready. They should be about 1 to 2 inches long. Once your sprouts are ready, give them a final rinse. Spread them on a clean dish towel to dry. Store your sprouts in an airtight container. Keep them in the refrigerator. Sprouts are delicious in salads and sandwiches. You can also add them to smoothies. Enjoy the fresh, crunchy taste of homegrown sprouts. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more great videos daily.